Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Visual Studio 2022 with the GitHub/Git workload and a signed-in GitHub account. Open Visual Studio, sign in under Account Settings, then choose Clone a repository or create a new repository. Once done, paste the repo URL or select Local Folder and click Clone. Make sure to pick the correct branch and solution file when prompted. This gets your code into Visual Studio and sets the remote origin so you can pull, commit, and push right away. You should create a dedicated branch for your work. Use a descriptive name like feature/name. From the Git Changes window, stage logical chunks, write clear commit messages, and commit locally. Once committed, push your branch to origin so GitHub can see it. When collaborating, pull remote changes frequently and rebase or merge as your workflow requires. If conflicts arise, use Visual Studio's Merge Editor to inspect changes side by side. Choose the correct lines, and then mark the conflict resolved before committing the merged result. You finish by opening a pull request from your pushed branch. Include a concise description and link related issues. Before requesting review, run the solution build and unit tests locally to catch regressions. Once reviewers approve, complete the PR on GitHub or merge from Visual Studio, choosing to squash or merge depending on your policy. If something breaks, make sure to check authentication tokens, remote URL, and for uncommitted changes, then pull and rebase. A single troubleshooting tip: if push is rejected, fetch origin and rebase locally to resolve and then push again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.